Hey everyone, it's Cherie here. I thought I'd do a quick flip through of my pocket planner. This is my carry-all. I'm a subscriber to the digital dash box from Planner Press, and I loved this month's theme so much that I put it in my pocket planner also. All my inserts are from Peanut Planner Co. Some are freebies that you can get on her Facebook group and her website, and then some I have actually purchased. This was a 2021 that I made in Canva. I printed it on vellum, and then I put it on pink cardstock. I cut all of my tabs out of thick acetate because I like the thickness but the clear, and then I just put washi on the tabs and just wrote on the tabs because I can't get my fonts to come out like I like in my Cricut, so I'll have to keep working on that. This is a 2021 holidays. I think I got this from Plan with B. This is a previous digital dash box that I liked a lot, and I keep her and another one in my planner at all times. This is my inbox, and I just have a place for notes. This is my monthly. This is a little design from ivymill.inc, and I went in and I colored it green, and I kind of went over it and messed it up, but I'll reprint it. But I printed it on vellum, and I put it over this month's dash box, which is travel. And then this is a Plan with B freebie that she has on her site, and I just colored in to give the flowers some color. I printed it on cardstock, and on the back I just cut out some little die cuts and put on there. And at the beginning of my month, I have a insert that has important dates, and I just got it, so I haven't went and filled it in, but my goal is to fill in important reminders that I need to see at a glance. And then this is my April. And then before my weekly, this is another of the dash box, and then I printed and stuck her on the back side, and then it goes into my weekly. And then I have my cute little Villa Beautiful charm, and I put for each month on my weeklies, I put 1 month in at a time so that it's not too thick, and I put a full calendar right before the thing, and I marked my paydays with the little green dots. And this is this week's plan, and I used my Villa Beautiful kit, the Free Spirit kit, which I just received, and I liked it so much, and the little icon stickers work real well in this little pocket planner. And then this is another little quote that I printed. I think this was from Plan with B also, and I kind of cut around it and made it fit into my planner. It says, "I just wanted a planner, but I think I accidentally joined a cult. I'm okay with this." And as a planner, Yep, we're in a cult. And then this was a previous dash box print, which you can get off her site, the Planner Press site. And then this was the other one. This goes with the kit. And then I go into my budget. And I have a yearly bill tracker. I have a debt tracker, so I can keep track of my snowball items that I'm paying off. I have an afterpay tracker, budget overview, which I haven't kept track of. This is the other little girl that stays in my pocket planner. And then the back side is the airplane. I can't wait to get back on a plane. And then we get into my tracking section, and I have my orders that I've done, and this one has actually shipped. And then I have our medicine trackers. I have one page for me, one page for my mom, and one page for my son, so that I can keep up with our prescriptions. And then I printed off this little page from Peanut's Planner Co. To keep track of what inserts that I have actually ordered from her website. And then I have Flying Home, Press for Room Service, and this goes into my email trackers. I didn't write my tab down. I'm always having to figure out what time zone I'm in. So I found this little travel map, and I can't remember where I found this one. It was either Plan with B or someone else. It might have been Plan with B though. And then I have password locks, and then a little pouch that I made using oh crud, my mind drew a blank. Laminate. I laminated it and then made it where it had the pocket, and then you cut it and you're able to open it. And then that is my setup for this month in my pocket rings. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope to have another video of my A5 flip through once I get that together, or I may just do a plan with me setting it up with this digital dash box and the stickers for the weeklies. Thank you, and come again.